This is the oil extractor pump for vehicles. I'm going to change my oil using this thing because I hate jacking up the car. I hate crawling under there. I hate getting messy. I often say changing your oil is easy. Changing your oil without making a huge mess is the challenge. And so I'm going to see if this tool can get the job done. I happen to have a vehicle here. It's a BMW 135i. And we are going to be changing the oil on this particular vehicle because the oil filter is at the top of this thing. So if I am able to extract all the oil from the top, this is going to be an easy process. Let's get into it. All right, to power this thing, it comes with this little dongle. So you connect that onto there. You connect it to your battery for power. This vehicle, the battery is in the trunk. This isn't going to work. I could grab another car battery, pull it over here. The cord, let me just show you how long this cord is in real time as I take off the twist tie. It's about that long. Was that 5 feet? So you can put the battery on the floor, turn this thing on. I happen to have another Amazon battery from another product. This product represents kind of the Makita battery. So I believe, you can correct me if I'm wrong, this would fit a Makita battery. Put that on there and it works. It's going to power this thing. Then you're going to attach your hoses. There's 2 sizes of hoses. Get a close-up of this, Max. My son Max is filming. You push that in there and then this kind of locks it in. If you want to take it out, you push this black part in and it comes right out. Should make a airtight fitting connection. This is the bigger tube. And look at this. They tell you exactly in and out, no mistaking what it is. Now push that in there. That's in there. Now, in real time, you're going to see me put this down into the where the oil goes. It's got to go around things. Let's see how easy or how hard this is to get to. We need to get to the bottom of this engine. And this is already proving a little difficult. And guess what? This particular BMW has no dipstick. Talk about wanting to make mechanics mad by not including a dipstick. That's how you do it. It's like a digital display in the front. And this is, I'm going to need, this is not easy. So I'm going to need to get a flashlight. We're going to figure out how to get to the bottom. I'm going to get all the way down there to the crankcase and the oil pan down there. And this is proving to be a little difficult. And so I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to get a flashlight and figure this out. So I just spent the better part of 5 minutes trying to get this into the top of the engine where the oil goes, and I couldn't do it. And so I researched, can this even be done from the top through that oil, where you pour the oil in? And it said no. Like there's too much plastic in there to get around the engine. It's just about impossible. So this is a fail on this particular engine, not because of the oil pumper sucker outer extractor, but because my engine is not compatible with this method because there's no oil dipstick, which I'm kind of upset about because, I mean, what engine, you just want an oil dipstick on any engine. So failed on this engine. So what I'm going to do is show you this just moving oil from one container to another. And hopefully this is kind of a lesson learned. Make sure your engine has a dipstick or a way for you to extract oil from the top. Let's take a look at this thing. All right, so we're gonna, this is some clean oil. Let's stick this down in here. It's full. I'm going to stick this end in this empty container here. And we are gonna shoot out some oil, see just how fast it can work. We're sucking oil. I see it going up. See that in there? Maybe get a shot of this, Max. You can see clean oil getting sucked up. It's working hard, doing its thing. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. Ooh, listen to that noise. Nice clean oil going into here, getting sucked up. I imagine this would take a little while to suck all this oil out. Get some footage, Max, all these little bubbles, that oil going in there. It's going pretty fast. Check that out. Let's see what happens when we stop it. So oil just kind of pours out. I'm going to hold this up, let that drizzle out. Now this thing does come with, I noticed like, oh, it comes with some extra things. It comes with some clip things, so you could clip this to your engine while you're working, put the tubes through here, and just set it up, turn it on, let it go. Then it comes with 4 of these caps. So these are just end caps with nothing on them, so that you don't have to make a mess anywhere. You put this on here, and that is sealed and capped off. The little one, where the oil goes in, there it goes. You put this on there, and that is capped off. Check this out, in the kit. Now I'm like, oh, that cool that they included it. They include, check it out, some gloves. They include a little napkin for you, because my hands, a couple napkins, 2 packages of 2 thick napkins. That's just kind of nice, because it's like, well, I need it. And so here it is. So in conclusion, the oil extractor pump, make sure your vehicle is compatible with one of these. And I think it's a great product. It does seem to fit Makita style batteries. And this thing is pretty cool product, does what it says it's going to do. Extracts oil. Buy one in the link of the description below.